Hey everybody, it's Lindsay from Organized to Save. You guys, it is almost Christmas. Can you tell I'm excited? Christmas sweaters. But today is a special video. It's a collaboration with Christina from the DIY Mommy. She's doing a Christmas DIY and decor challenge. So I will leave that playlist below if you want to check it out. And don't forget to check out her channel as well. If you are new, welcome. On my channel, I talk all about how to get you organized to save your time, money, and space. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe below and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. But let's go ahead and dive in, get in the Christmas spirit, and I'll show you how I created this Christmas themed tablescape on a budget.
So the first thing that I did was I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up a couple of supplies. I found these two sprigs, the little candle, the scarf, and then the tree that I'm going to show you how I did a DIY.
Alright guys, so to start off, you are going to need your Christmas tree. Now this one is from the Dollar Tree, so it comes like this. You don't really need these legs, so you can just set those aside. And then you're going to want to take this bottom piece off of it. This one I found at a craft store and actually cut it in half, and that's what I used for the one on the table. But I have seen these at the Dollar Tree before. So all you're going to do is literally poke it down in the center, so that way it is, stable. It can stand up on its own. And then this tree needs some fluffing, so go ahead and just take out the branches, fluff it up to your desire. And so these bottom branches, I'm kind of angling them up because once we wrap the wrapping paper around it, we want the wrapping paper to kind of flow over the top here. So we don't want the branches to be all the way down. So just kind of angle those up a little bit. So at this point, if you are going to flock your tree, I would go ahead and do that. This one, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to leave this one green because I'm actually making this one for my daughter's playroom. And I found, I'll move this aside. I found this pack. These are just wire garland ties. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to take these out and see if I can fluff up this tree, just because without it flocked, it just looks a little sparse. Like you can see the pole in here. So I'm going to just try wrapping a couple extra ones just to give it a little bit more volume. All I'm going to do is just loop this underneath, do it so it is even, kind of twist it around and secure it. And then I'm making, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm making them go in the opposite direction. So that just kind of helps to hide the pole in here, so I'll probably add just a few in each of these sections. This pack came with 12. I definitely won't be using all 12, but I think it's really going to add some body to it and just help this little Dollar Tree look a little bit better. As you go up, you want to make sure that it is following in line with kind of the natural triangle of the tree. So you might just have to loop it a few more times as you go up. So like this top one, I'll probably have to loop it 3 times versus just like the 1 or 2 down here. All right, so let's move forward with the next step. So you're going to want to grab your wrapping paper. For the tree on the table, I used the brown craft paper from the Dollar Tree. This is just some wrapping paper that I had on hand. It's going to match our playroom, so that's what I'm going to use this for. So you're going to want to just cut out a square, so that way the tree will fit in the center and then you can wrap it up around it. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so once you have your square cut, you just put your tree in the center. You start with the 2 corners across from each other, bring those up, and then grab the other 2 corners and bring those up. And then you're just going to want to hold around the base of the tree just above the foam block, and that's where we're going to put our ribbon. You need to decide where you want your bow to be. So I think I'm going to have it on this side. So I'm going to tie my knot here, and then you can either do a bow, or I might actually just try using the scissors and kind of curling the ends.
Alright, so once you have all of your supplies ready, you're first going to want to start off with putting your either tablecloth, or here I used some of that brown wrapping paper, and then I took the scarf, just kind of laid it across the table, and then I had this copper little disc here. I found this at the Target dollar spot. I believe it was only like $3 or something like that, but I put that in the center of the table and then just kind of ruffled up each of the sides of the scarf. I took the little sprigs and put those on either side of the scarf. I did the same snow kind of dusting technique on these as well. I just took these pine cones and just kind of scattered them across the table. These ones were from Michael's I got a few years ago, but I love these. I use them all throughout the year for different seasons. So the tree you're going to want to put in the center of your table. I balanced it out with this little candle that I found at the Dollar Tree, and that I just tied a little ribbon around it, and I actually had the ribbon from the tree and the ribbon from the candle facing in different directions, so that way regardless of what side of the table you're sitting on, you're going to see that decoration. So once you have your base decor set, you're going to want to go ahead and gather up all of your supplies to actually set the table. So I am setting our table for 6 people, and I am using these white simple chargers. These ones actually came from the Dollar Tree. They have really stepped up their game. To finish off your table setting, you're just going to finish off with your napkin, plate, bowl, cup, and silverware. The plate I've had on hand from IKEA. The bowl is a Trinot set, and then for my glass I'm actually just using a mason jar. It's just kind of a fun little rustic add-on, and then you just want to finish off with your silverware. So there you have it, you guys, just a very simple, affordable Christmas themed tablescape. Like I said, pretty much the majority of these things I got from the dollar store, and I love the added touch of our DIY Christmas tree. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just keep in mind, you do not have to have a hefty budget to build a beautiful tablescape for your Christmas dinner. Don't forget to subscribe below so that way you don't miss any other videos that I've got coming your guys' way. But I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and we'll catch you soon.